Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar, back with another mobile photography quick edit. I am sitting here in Lightroom and I have a photo here that I wanted to edit up really quickly. So again, I'm going to show you again the benefits of saving a preset. So for example, if I jump in here, and the first thing I wanted to do is go to my presets. I already have one that I built and it's called City Mood. I'm basically going to click on this, and it basically kind of makes things a little bit more grayish. I use it when I take stuff like in the city, which is something that I just wanted to do. So I saved this preset from one of my previous other photos, but anyways, I use that, slap that on, and that gives me a head start on as far as my treatment that I want to do. So first thing I like to do is come back inside here, double click. Let's reset all my levels, my shadows, my whites, and my blacks. And then I also okay, good, that's all set inside there. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and my curves here and bring up the shadows a little bit, and from there I'm going to add a little bit more on the highlights, and because I like a little bit of fade, so just bring up just ever so slightly on the back, this back one here, if I can grab it. Just a little bit of fade. That's actually too much. Let's go about split the difference. All right, sweet. And then from here, go into my contrast. A little bit of contrast, shadows. And I'm liking it about right there. Let's see what we got before, after. Make sure I want to keep my details inside those shadows a little bit. It looks like I might be losing just ever so slightly. Okay, I'm liking that. Let's go into my colors here. Again, I like to desaturate my colors just a little bit. We'll do that here. Let's see, it's on a little bit of the cool side. Might just give it a little bit of warmth. Might be liking that. Let's see, before and after. That looks pretty cool. Alrighty, and I don't want to mess with that because that's already got into my general look, but I do want to go into my split tones. And let's see, for the highlights, kind of more on the orangey side, and my shadows more on the teal side, and let's bring that way down. Okay, and let's see the balance here. If I want it more, I think I want to bring more of the teal back into the highlights. Let's kind of leave it there. Okay, back up and save that. Okay, and then what I'll do from here is go into this, and let's straighten this image up a little bit. Kind of straighten it up off the horizon a little bit there. Pigeons are my subject, so I'm going to go about right there. And let's go ahead and save that. Okay, and actually I'm going to crop the top in just a little bit here. Let me get rid of this up here. Don't really want to see that too much. It's kind of distracting. Now we're just isolating the birds. I still don't think it's a little bit straight, huh? Let's see if we can get that perfectly straight. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, fantastic. Now, this photo originally was taken on my Canon, but I just brought it into my cell phone because I prefer to grade on my phone. It's a little bit easier and quicker. And I'm going to add a little bit of sharpening in here. About 25% there. About there. All right. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Save to device. Now I have another filter that I want to use in Visco. I'm going to see what it looks like on top of this, but I think I might just leave this where it's at right now. So we'll see how this comes along here. Sorry for the background noise, guys. I am in a convenient mall, sitting here waiting for my next class to start. Okay, now let's go jump into Visco. Into Visco here, I'm gonna go ahead and load in this photo. Oh, you can see. Let's see. Okay, what am I doing back out here? Let's jump into Visco. I wanted to load up another image, and that's the one I want. Okay. Load. Okay, and let's bring in this one here. Alrighty, now the one I wanted to do was Dog Days. Where was it at? It's a certain one I wanted to use that I've been using in a couple photos that I'm liking, but I really wanted to try it on this one. Not coming out the way I really wanted it to. That's 0. That's a little bit. I'd say about. Not gonna use it. Don't like it. Don't need it. I think I'm gonna leave it as this. Let me go to let me go to M3, which is my money shot. Nope. Yeah, guys, we're gonna leave it where it's at. I'm not gonna do anything in Visco. I'm gonna leave it as that. Bada bing. So that will be my final image right there. We're not gonna use Visco. So just another little quick edit here. Let me see if we can, if I can show you guys the final image. There we go. Bada bing. And that's it. Anyway, this is Patrick LeVar. Keep shooting, keep filming. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.